Alright guys, welcome once again to the 𝗪𝘆𝗶𝘀𝘁𝘀 channel. And for a lot of you who are already subscribed to my channel, you may realize that I'm basically making a video after a gap of, I believe, at least 2.5 weeks. And that is because I've just been moving around. I mean, I'm not moving around, I'm just like logged into my home, and I just did not have the setup that I usually like to work with. So I was just like trying to focus my things on building my brands online, doing a lot of social media and hiring. And this video is basically about that, and this is one of the behind the skulls video, to be very honest. So there has been a decent progress, and that kind of motivated me to make this video today, which is the 14th of April, okay, 2020. Like, as you may have realized, that this is a very strenuous time. These are stressful times. A lot of people, like almost every one of us, are working from home. No one is usually basically following their 9 to 5 routine as usual. We're not going to work. The entire world is on a standstill. But even after that, I've always been a great optimistic. I've always been talking about the fact that, hey, this is the best time for you to learn things. This is the best time for you to do things. This is the best time for you to get ahead and be prepared for the time when this normalizes, when this becomes history, when this goes away. And that is exactly what I have been doing myself. I'm not just talking about these things. I'm actually doing what I'm trying to tell you. I'm doing what I'm trying to ask you to do yourself. And I wanted to share a milestone that we had today. Okay, just a few hours ago, I finally hired my very first full-time employee for 𝗪𝘆𝗶𝘀𝘁𝘀. Okay, and I've been diligently trying to look for a good resource. I've been kind of scouting the internet in the last four and a half weeks, and I finally figured and discovered somebody who was the right fit to be the first employee of 𝗪𝘆𝗶𝘀𝘁𝘀. I also want to touch upon the fact as to why did I hire and why did I decide to hire this person. I decided to hire this person because there are a lot of tasks, okay, a lot of tasks that are basically right now being executed by me, okay. Although I don't need to be doing that. I can train somebody, I can educate somebody, and that person can take over a lot of things off my plate. Why do I want to do that? That is because I'm chasing a lot of different projects. Okay, I'm not just doing e-commerce, I'm not just building private label brands, but I'm also trying to build and pursue a lot of different projects. Okay, right now as I speak and I make this video, I'm in the process of actually building a social media application, which is very disruptive, to be very honest. It is a social media application based around voice, and in the coming videos and in the coming days and weeks, you are going to learn more about that as I will kind of talk about it slowly and steadily once we move towards the release date, and that is due to release hopefully by the end of this month. Just wanted to kind of hop online. Let me know, what are you guys up to? Let me know, how can I help you? Let me know, are you still running your Amazon FBA business or private label business? Let me know if you're facing any challenges from like by working from home. Are you able to make this time useful for yourself? And let me know if I can just connect with you on the next call and just have a one-to-one discussion. Whatever it is, guys, I'm always there for you. Just reach out to me and we'll be connected. So this is a very different kind of video. I just want to start this process of making videos once again from wherever the heck I'm sitting. As you can see, the video quality may not be that great because I'm just using my laptop. I'm just using a USB mic that I have. So I'm not really worried about those things. I'm just more worried about losing the traction and losing the momentum of me being in the habit of creating these videos. So this is my first step towards that. Thank you so much for each and every subscriber that I have on my channel. I really appreciate you all. I appreciate your attention, and I hope we stay connected. Okay, let me know whatever kind of content you want to see in the future, and I will be making very more videos very frequently going forward starting today. All right, then I will see you in the next one.